Hi everybody. I'm somewhere new. We're going on an adventure together. That's a familiar face.
Adventure time.
But in an unfamiliar setting. You guys might recognize these two machines. You know, if you're loyal fans and actually watch the content. We're at Maddie's. What are we doing here? What are we doing here, Aaron?
We're doing all kinds of stuff.
What's going down today?
Mainly, we're gonna try to do a radiator relocate.
Ooh.
Yes.
Obviously not on that guy, because it's already got one.
It's already done. We already did it.
Already done skis. On this guy.
Yeah.
When's that going in? Move your
This?
big body. Yeah, this guy.
Eventually. It's on the list.
Not today. Another video.
Another video.
Probably, maybe, possibly. Yeah. That's part of it, I know. And that's going up there. And it even came with instructions, I think, right? Is this part of it? Radiator relocation installation. Man, that freaking rig looks awfully familiar right there on the cover.
Yeah, that's because it's mine. I got to be the tester. They said, the company contacted me and said, hey, we're gonna make a radiator relocate kit. You wanna have one? And I was like, yeah.
Bye.
Alright, well I guess we'll fuck it back over.
So yeah. So that's my rig on the cover there. That's back when it had the juggernauts on it.
Oh.
The jugs.
Yeah, and no
I'm just glad, I'm gonna point this out. We were talking about this yesterday, like the radiator relocate that you have, that he's getting. I'm so much happier. I know I'm kind of turning you guys crazy. Anyway. It doesn't have, you know, it's not like the ones we saw yesterday. It's like, Teryx!
Oh yeah.
Teryx!
The ones that's like sticks all up and it's this huge obnoxious thing. Yeah. Those look a lot cleaner.
Here's Maddie, by the way.
Hello.
Oh, if I get that, there you go. So yeah, ready to relocate. I've never done this, so.
Me neither.
Jinx, you guys owe each other sodas. Let's just dive in. Ain't used. What you got going on here, man? What's step one?
Step one.
Did you catch me almost?
We gotta basically move all this stuff that's here.
What stuff? Like all the wiring, or the airbox, everything, or?
No, the wiring's got to be relocated because the radiator's gonna be here now.
Oh.
The airbox stays here, and it's like the radiator sits just above it. It's tight, but you can still get to your airbox.
Tight. So instead of doing like a step-by-step, I don't think this is really gonna be a how-to, but kind of thinking we just dive in. Like I'm gonna pick up as soon as I get started, so we start getting to actually,
Stuff getting up
yeah,
in
like
there.
relocation and all that.
Push it out. Heel locks or something. Maybe a crescent wrench. She's tight, mate. Real tight.
Crescent wrench?
Yeah.
So this is essentially the last little bit of OEM before we start putting in, right?
Yeah. Yep. And then it'll be like some trim in.
And as you guys see, the front clips off.
Bigger one or no?
Holy cow. Successful.
Yeah.
We'll be right back. Oh no.
Yeah.
There's no going back, man. So what they're doing is they gotta trim out that plastic piece. That way the radiator right there will essentially fit in here. So we got pictures. Right here. I don't know why they won't focus. There we go. But that's what they're going for. See, they gotta cut that out. So that's what he's doing. But we are moving along. We also gotta do some cutting there. Yikes. Yikes, all the cutting. So I know I told you guys to pick back up once we're putting that in, but I feel like we're kind of missing some stuff, so I think now I'll pick back up once we start getting the radiator in. So after some drilling and some swearing and some strategizing,
Oh yeah.
that sucker's in there, man.
Mm-hmm.
You're relocated, Matt.
I
You are
know.
relocated, man.
Official now, man. Am I a part of the crew, Aaron?
I just want to be one of the cool kids. If the cool kids consist of Aaron and Jew, I think you should find a cooler kid to hang out with.
Oh, screw you.
That's not nice.
But yeah, man, she's in there. Aaron did a bang up job, as always.
Oh yeah.
Of course, Matt was in there, but I mean, this guy was pretty much running the show.
Pretty much, yep.
But we're not done. We still have to cut the hood up, so I'll video that. And I think after that, after we cut the hood up, we'll get it all put back together and then we'll pick up there. So next is cutting up a hood on a 2020 Teryx.
Oh yeah. Nothing new now.
Yeah, it ain't nothing, not even shocked
Yeah,
now.
we're used to it now.
Yeah. Once you start cutting on something brand new, like like we did with the cage, just go, eh. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Do it like on the fins or something.
No, I'm doing it right out of my leg. Right out the crotch.
It's a crotch train.
Well, this is as far as we've gotten and as far as we're gonna get. We didn't get the hood cut out. That's the only thing, literally the only thing left. And reason being is old Matty, who had the cutoff wheel, got called out. It's his night to go to work. So the tools were taken, so we physically cannot finish this here tonight. So with that being said, we did everything we can. As you see, this is back in. The Relocate's back in. All the hoses are extended. Everything's cleaned up as much as we can. Don't look over there, not our work. So he says, I don't know, I think he could be lying. He could be lying.
That's dealership work. What's the real name?
We're letting it run now. We got fluid topped off, as y'all see, so we're letting it run. Obviously brackets tightened up. Everything is back together. So, like I said, we are, as far as the radiator relocate job that we set out to do is done. We just need to do the hood. So once the hood gets done, I'll get Maddie to send over some photos and then we'll post those up on the Insta so y'all can check those out. In fact, I might even do a little sneak preview of that before this video drops. So if you see that on the Insta, it's because you're following. Thank you. If you haven't seen it, probably because it either hadn't dropped or you're not on the Insta, which you're not on the Insta, quit being a silly goose and go follow us.
Show.
Anyway, if you made it this far, thanks for watching as always. Comments, like I said, if there's any questions ever, especially with like this technical stuff, I'm sure he prowls the comments. Ask him. Just ask away. Ask away and he'll answer it. Yeah. And oh, by the way, this was his first time doing this. Knocked out of the park like always, so slap hands on that, bud. My word. Mount Everest. Anyway.